Okay, this piece of gear doesn't need much introduction. It's a match case. It holds matches. It's nice and waterproof too, so you don't have to worry about your matches getting wet. You know, if you look around at old Boy Scout manuals or writings from old woodsmen or old outdoor magazines like Field and Stream, these were really, really popular around the turn of the century in the early 1900s. It's a really, really cool piece of gear, especially if you have a more traditional kit or if you're just looking for something to carry your matches in a watertight container. There's also a little secret about these that not a lot of people know that I'm going to tell you later on, so stay tuned. Okay, this is what's known as a Marbles match safe. This is a reproduction one that I got from the sporting goods store that costs about 10 or 12 bucks. It's supposed to have a little lanyard loop over here that attaches in these holes, but of course mine's long gone. These are really, really cool. If you find an original one, I think you can find them on eBay. You may be able to find them in an antique store around you. And if you do, the original ones are only like 20 or 25 bucks, and it's a really, really cool piece of gear. If you like old things or you got a more non-traditional kit, these operate really, really easily. See, it's got the little knurls. It's kind of a handhold, and it's got these screw threads on the side. And what you do is the barrel just turns like this, and it actually goes down, and then it tips up, and then boom, there's your matches. Also, if you look in the bottom, you can see the little black rubber ring that the top of the barrel closes against, and that's what makes your match safe waterproof. Cool, huh? These are really made for strike anywhere matches, but you know, you can always put a couple of these windproof storm matches in there. Those things work pretty well. If you can't find the strike anywhere matches, you can use the regular matches, but just cut a little piece of the striker off and throw it in there also. So now you carry your striker with you. A really, really cool thing that not many people know is that when this is closed and you have a strike anywhere match, you can strike it on the knurled part. Let's see if I can do it. You can use the knurled part on the side as a striker. How cool is that for the strike anywheres? Yeah, like I said. Oh, can I do it? Oh, not on that match. There we go. Look at that. That's really, really cool. All right, let's talk about what we learned today. Okay, like I said, Marbles match safe. You don't see very many people carrying them around anymore. They were really, really popular in the early 1900s, 1900, 1925, and they really, really do a good job of keeping your matches dry. Of course, I'm an advocate of multiple types of ignition. Everybody should carry a Bic lighter with them. Multiple ways of ignition: a Bic lighter, a magnifying glass, a ferro rod. I don't care how you do it. Matches are a great backup, and this is a really, really cool way to carry them. I bet you didn't know that you could strike the match on the knurled part of it, did you? Okay, once again, here's a quick look at the Marbles match safe. Everybody needs one. They're cheap enough. So if you like this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and tell me what you think of the Marbles match safe. And let me know if you have one also. Once again, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.